Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of a budget offering from Lava in India, the Lava Z93 with 32GB internal storage. So Lava is offering this at a 799 pricing. It's very affordable device in terms of features being offered, and this has a dual camera setup. It does have an HD plus resolution display, the notch display, and it is powered by the Helio P22 octa-core processor with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage being offered. And we're gonna talk about this device in this video. We'll unbox it and we'll show you the specifications and also some of the features. So this is the box packing of the Lava Z93, the 32GB storage variant. So let's see. So you can see that the slim form factor is something which Lava claims, which is pretty good. And let's see what all it offers. So this is the specification. So you can see that it has Helio P22 octa-core processor, 13 plus 2 megapixel dual rear cameras, f1.8 dewdrop notch display. It's a 6.22 inches HD plus resolution display, 3GB of RAM and 32GB internal storage, 3500 mAh capacity battery, and it's a made in India device. So let's open the box package. You can see that this device has been made in association with Gameloft. So there is some games pre-installed on this device. So opening up the box, so let's go to the box. So there you go. So on the top we get to see the Lava Z93. So that's the device. So this is available in the blue color. So we have the dual camera setup, the fingerprint scanner and the Lava branding. We also have the speaker unit here. The bottom section has the micro USB charging slot and the 3.5mm audio jack. The top portion does not have any openings. The right side has the power and volume keys. The left side has the SIM tray, and that's the device. So you can see that the Lava branding as well. Now let's see what else comes inside the box package. So we have a charger included. So let's see the voltage rating. So it is 5 volt 2 amp, that's the standard 10 watt charging included. Then you have the SIM ejector pin and a cable also included, the standard charging cable. Now we have booted the device, and I can see this is the UI, and this is on top of Android 9.0, and we have the Star OS 5.1. This is the Star OS. You can see a lot of pre-installed apps and bloatware. So these things come with the device. There is multiple home screens divided of an app drawer. You can see that this has custom toggles, and it also has a 3500 mAh capacity battery. Now let's have a look at the camera. So this has a dual camera setup. That's something which is quite good. We have 13 and 2 megapixel dual camera, f1.8 aperture. So we have the pro mode included, the video and the portrait mode and other options as well. Now you also get an 8 megapixel selfie camera. There are some AI modes also included. Now the phone comes with a 3500 mAh capacity battery, which should be able to last slightly more than a day according to the specification. So it should be able to give you decent battery life. So that's the Lava Z93. So overall it's quite a budget offering, price 799, and this has HD plus resolution display, the dot notch display. Then we have Android 9.0, 3GB RAM and 32GB storage being offered. So that's all guys with unboxing and hands-on with the Lava Z93. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day.